After we finish string mapping, we need to place and calculate cables on the drawing. In the string mapping section, click on the Cable and Civil option. In the Cable and Civil ribbon, go to the Cable Calculation section. Select Calculate Cable Routings option. This will open a pop-up window with settings of cable's allocation mode. Automatic trench or cable tray detection, the cables will be placed to the nearest trenches automatically. Here also you can set the maximum distance between the racks and the trench to avoid creating cables with exceed length. With manual trench tray allocation option, you can determine to what trench cables from each string will go. To start allocation, click on Allocate button. This will lead you to the model space and prompt you to select settings you want to allocate. Click on each string or select few strings by a crosshair selection. To confirm your selection, press Enter or space. Now you need to select trench to which previously selected strings will be allocated. Click on the trench and selected strings will be turned green. If you need to cancel allocations you have done before, press Enter or space. This will open a pop-up window where you can see the number of allocated strings. Click Clear button to cancel all previous settings and start again. Repeat these steps until all the strings become allocated as you need. A pop-up window will appear again automatically. After all the strings are allocated, click Calculate button to start calculations. After calculations will be done in the string section of pop-up window, you will see the list of strings with their length. To finish calculations, click on Close button. You can see cable routings for each string on the drawing. If you need to erase cable routings from a drawing in any reason, select Delete Cable Routings option on Cable Calculation section. Use only the Virto-Solar option to erase cable routings. This way, the cables will be deleted from the drawing and also from the cable calculations. After we have calculated cable routings, we can count them in cable trench on the drawing. In the Cable and Civil ribbon, go to the Cable Calculation section. Select Count Cables in Tray Trench option. After this, you need to pick base point on the drawing. Click near the site of trench you want to count cables in. Then pick second point, so cross trench with line between these 2 points. The number of cables will appear on the drawing in that site of the trench that you have crossed. Repeat these steps to count the cables in all trenches you wish. To finish, press Escape. After we have calculated cable routings, we can export their overview to Excel. Select String Overview option. This will open a DC cable settings pop-up window. We need to fill in common cable parameters. Cable temperature, average temperature of the cable during its work. Minimum ambient temperature. Minimum year surroundings temperature in the place where system will be installed. Voltage drop. Permissible voltage losses in the cables. Also, we need to select cable's material. Take appropriate choice in the table. You can find material by the name, type it in the field to search. If there is no material that you need in the table, you can add it. In the pop-up window, enter name of new material and click OK. After this, a new row with added material will appear in the table. Fill in its properties by double-click on the table cell. If you need to erase some material from the table, select it and click Delete button. To continue calculation, click Next button. After that, an Export String Overview window will open where you can select parameters to be shown in the overview. Check the needed components in this overview. Specify location of string overview file, click on ellipsis. In the opened window, select a folder and enter .xls file name and click Save. Click OK in the Export String Overview window and String Overview table will open in a new pop-up window. You can take a look and check it. Click OK to continue. Finally, a confirmation window will ask you to open the Excel file now. Click Yes if you want to edit it. Congratulations, String Overview file will be opened in Excel. In the .xls file, you can find two tabs: Cable Overview DC and Cable Overview AC. Click to view them, edit or use overview data for your cable lengths and voltage drop calculations.